sound cards, 4 things that could make the lawn a sound. Four things. All right, sound number 3 is going to be the lawn I sound. The lawn I sound, and you're going to give me 3 answers here. There are 3 things that can make that I sound. I. And then sound number 4 is going to be a review from last week. Sound number 4 is 3 answers for this one. All right, review word number 1. You are going to write the word snake. Are you ready? Get your elbows up. Let's tap it out together. S, s, a, k, k, s, a, k, snake. Go ahead. That snake jumped out and scared me. Snake. Go ahead and mark up the word snake too. Snake. All right, and review word number 2 is going to be smallest. Smallest. Are you ready? Elbows back up. S. All. All. S. All. Small. Add the suffix smallest. Go ahead. Write it down. Mark it up. Smallest. So those were the 2 review words. Now we're on to current words. Current word number 1 is paint. I am going to go paint a picture. Paint. Elbows up. P. A. T. Paint. Go ahead, write it down, mark it up. Paint. And current word number 2. Current word number 2. Let's do praying. Are you ready? Elbows up. Praying. P. A. Pray. Praying. Add the suffix. Go ahead. They are all praying in church. Praying. Write it down. Mark it up. All right, so we've done our 4 sounds. We've done 2 review words, 2 current words, and now it is time for the trick words. Trick words are words that you cannot tap out. Are you ready? All right. Trick word number 1, away. That place is very far away. Trick word number 1 is away. Go ahead, write it down. Trick word number 2 is great. Great. You are doing a great job. Great. Go ahead, write it down. Get ready for our sentence. All right, here we go. Sentence, let's do one sentence. I think we'll be cool with that. All right, the sentence that I want you to write is, baseball is a fun game to play. Write it down and scoop it up. I'll say it slow so you can take a pause in between each word, and by the end of the sentence, you'll have the whole sentence in front of you. Baseball is a fun game to play. Baseball is a fun game to play. Is, a, and to are all trick words that you cannot tap out. Baseball, fun, game, play, you can. All right, so by now you should have all of our sounds. Ch, a, I, and You should have those sounds written down. You should have our review and our current words written down and marked up. Snake, smallest, paint, praying. Written down and marked up. You should have the trick words away and great. Written down, can't mark them up. And then you should also have our sentence written down and scooped out too. Baseball is a fun game to play. You ready for the answers? Sound number 1 was ch. So sound number 1 has to be C, H. Sound number 2 was A, and there are 4 answers here. Open A, or just a lawn A dash E, and then of course AI and AY. Sound number 3 was I, with 3 answers. Lawn or an open eye. And make sure that you have the macrones over this A and this I too. That shows me you know which type of vowel it is. Yes, lawn I. You can have an I dash E, like in the word pine. And then you can also have Y after a 1-syllable word like cry, or this book is by. Maybe even the word shy. And then the last sound that we had was the sound with 3 answers. ER. Oops. ER, like in her. IR, like in bird. And then UR, like in burn. Kind of a weird looking R. Cool. Awesome. So make sure that you have these answers right. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and erase them. And we will write down our review words and our current words. Erase, erase. Wonderful. All right, number 1, snake. S, s. A. K. Then, of course, to make that A say its name, we have to add our E at the end, our bossy E that jumps over here and makes A say its name. Let's go ahead and take the different color and mark it up. 1 syllable in snake. Silent E over here, you cross it out, give A macron. We have a consonant blend over here, and we have a vowel consonant E syllable. Sneak. Awesome. Great job. Smallest. S. All. Small, and then you add the suffix E S T. Smallest. When you mark up a word with a suffix, remember the first thing you have to do is underline the base word and circle the suffix. I see a glued sound here, A-L-L, all. I'm gonna go ahead and box that. Mark it up, give it a macron over here. Another blend, and we have a closed syllable here for smallest. Awesome, great job so far. Paint, our current word number 1, paint. A, it's in the middle here. N, T, paint. It couldn't be an A-E here, like in the word snake, because we have 2 consonants here. And a bossy E cannot jump over 2 consonants, so that's why we have the AI sound in there. Let's go ahead and mark up the word paint. 1 syllable. Blend over here. Circle your double vowel team. Mark it up as a double vowel. Awesome. And then the last word that we have is praying. Praying. I'm actually going to move the board over a little bit so I have room here. Praying. A. It's A-Y here because our ain is part of a suffix, which means an A sound is at the end of our base word. See? Pray. Because you can't really see. There you go. Pray. So another word with a suffix. Underline the base word, circle the suffix. Go ahead, get that blend over here. Circle the A-Y for a double vowel team. Awesome, and those are all of our current and review words all marked up. How did you do? Let's go ahead and erase them. For our trick words, just going to go ahead and write these down really quick, and then we will also jump right into that sentence. All right, trick word number 1 was away, like that place is very far away. And then trick word number 2 was great. You are doing a great job. Away, A-W-A-Y, great, G-R-E-A-T. Awesome, and let's go ahead and write with our sentence. Baseball is a fun game to play. Remember your capital letter at the start here. Baseball. There we go. Is a fun game to play. And remember your sentence stopper over here. Baseball is a fun game to play. How did you mark up this sentence? Baseball is a fun game to play. This is how I would mark it up. Remember, your marking up doesn't have to be the same as mine. I would probably go, baseball is a fun game to play. Baseball is a fun game to play. Awesome, and then that'll take us right to the end of our Foundations lesson. I will see you later. Awesome job, everyone.